What's up guys, today I'm going to review a LED bulb from Auxito. They sent me for free to give you a review. I'll give you honest review. So I'm not going to, they told, so I don't have the regular, the OEM headlight bulb. This one, the whole thing is aftermarket, so I can't replace it. So they don't have the bulb for that. I'm going to do the fog lights because that one I didn't replace it, so I'm going to do that. But I replaced the bulb before to LED lights almost 4 years ago, so I'm going to compare that one. This one I got it from Amazon 4 years ago. This one they just sent it to me last week, I believe. Going to compare how it is from outside, and then after it's dark we're going to see. But I'm going to put one and then one of that one. We're going to find out which one is brighter or not. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and this video will be shorter, so enjoy the video. Alright guys, let me unbox this one. Alrighty. This one have a fan. That one doesn't. I think this one have a fan. Nope. A bit different, if you can see. I mean, there is 3 LED light over here. So you will have big LED light. Some side they're the same. But for this one, for the air, this one's bigger than this one. They're the same. We'll see if this one's brighter. Going to find out. So let me put this one. So to put this one over here on my truck, if this bracket is not bolted, if it is bolted, I can take it off. If not, maybe it is. I did rivet it. Okay, so to put it over here, I take it off by this way. There's no that much space. Maybe if I didn't rivet over here, I might take it out and take these screws and then see. But if I did rivet it, I need to drill it to take the rivet out. Before I do that, let me try to put it on. For now I'm going to put only one and test it later. Which one's brighter? You can do it, it's not that much hard. Only if you didn't rivet, this one will be easier. If it is, it'll be harder. So let me put it on and I'll be back. Alright guys, let me see, take the tag, and then if there is no. I did rivet it down here, so I could drill it and take it out, but I don't want to. It'll be harder to put it back now. I don't remember how I put it back, the old one. Take it out is always easier, but to put it back always harder. Over here on the back side, on the radiator side, will be, there's space, but not that much space. And your hand will be smaller like me. Otherwise, if it is bigger, can't make it get in, obviously. Hopefully I can get in this way. That's a little bit tricky. If you can see, my hand's down there. I can't get it all the way because there is no space. And then now the hardest part is to turn it and put it back. I'm using 2 hands, but it doesn't work still. I mean, I might drill this one out. It's better that way. Otherwise, ooh, so tricky. You can't see what you're doing to put it in. Trying to put it in, but oh, it is hard. If I take this one out, I think I'll get more space. I think, let me drill this one out, otherwise it will be harder for me. And I'm going to rivet it back. So there's 4. So there's 2 on this side, 2 on the other side. So I need to drill. Hopefully it works. They started spinning. That's bad one. Alright guys, I take the tag bracket, otherwise much more it's not going to be easier. If you go under here, there's not that much space, but on this side there's more space. I just force it, drill it, so I'm going to replace the rivets. Not much big deal, but now it's in, one's the old one. So when it's dark, we're going to test it. So which one's brighter more? Hopefully this one it is, because it's so expensive to buy it compared to this one. So hopefully we're going to paint it. So I'll be back when it's dark. So before I'm doing the fog lights before and after, how bright it is now. Right guys, now I'm going to test it. The right side is the newer one, the left side is the old one, so let's see. There's a little bit different, I think. On that side it's a little bit dark-ish. Let me cover one of it and then see which ones. It's hard to cover it. Let me see. You can see what it is. I don't know what's the difference. I think this one's not that much bright. This one's the brighter one. If you see it from here, I don't think so. On the camera it's hard to see, but the newer one's not that much bright. If you can see from here, this side's darker, that side hard to tell, I guess. Maybe if you are in the middle, can't tell. Kind of. Let me try to cover this one if you can. If you can see this one, I think it can be two, otherwise. So now you're in the middle. I think it need to be two, otherwise you can't tell which one is which one. Maybe let me replace the second one and see. It looks like lighter, but I'm not sure. I can't tell. It's hard to tell. Let me replace it and see. Alright guys, I replaced the second one, so let's find out. Alright guys, here it is. They look different, I don't know, maybe a little bit different, but they're the same. Before I did replace it LED lights, so if it is maybe the headlights, maybe my difference, but my headlights aftermarket, they don't have that kind of stuff, so yeah. So now I'm going to put the tag, I'm going to reveal it. Yeah, that's it for the video. Is it the same? I don't know. Looks like the same. Maybe replace the whole thing. So I hope you enjoyed the video. This video is short, so yeah, write your comment down below. Stay tuned for other videos. Thank you for watching.